back to another angry motovlog. I know I always say don't ride while you're angry, and then I do it, but it's because I have learned from my mistakes, so I know what not to do. I'm just gonna be making a giant circle this video. I'm gonna do like a big lap, but it's probably gonna be pretty short, I'm assuming, because I'm gonna go for like the same length of ride I usually do, but I'm assuming this video is gonna be short because most of it's gonna be me just breathing really heavy, because like I said, I'm pissed off. I don't think I'm gonna talk a whole lot. I don't know what I'd talk about. I am doing body work on my dad's truck right now. I'm also still coughing, so that's fun, but I want it to look good. Like I want people to be able to look at it and not tell that there's stuff done to it, but apparently I'm incapable of that because it looks really bad. And of course, me being just so skilled at everything, I made it even worse. I had it looking okay, not horrible, but not good, and then I screwed it up and made it look worse. So I got really mad at myself and got on the bike because I screwed up my own work, and it's not turning out the way I wanted it to at all. So I'm getting very mad, but I still have to get it done. I also don't know if the ZX10 can get inspected because they always say, oh, it has to be stock, they want it stock, all that shit. Stock has a rear fender that sticks way out with the plate and turn signals on it. I do not have that because it's ugly, so everyone takes it off right away. So I have a fender eliminator and integrated turn signals, which, now that I think about, probably won't pass because it's not stock. So I'm gonna have to buy the $50 part from eBay just to take the bike apart, put that ugly ass thing on, go get it inspected, and undo it all again, and then have that part for no reason. Just take it back off. I'm assuming you can't have the fender eliminator. On my Gixxer, when that got the enhanced inspection, so Gixxers have the turn signals in the fairings, in the back fairings. So I think that's why I didn't have a problem with having a fender eliminator. Kawasaki is not like that. So not only will that add a good bit of money, not only will that add money to the cost of the bike, even more than I've already put into it, but it'll also add time because I'll have to wait for the part to get here. But at least I have a new mount thingy for my GoPro, so it should stay on the whole ride. Yeah, that light looks green to me. One of the comments on my videos was, it basically said, I don't remember the exact wording, but it basically said that, like, you don't always have to talk in your videos, sometimes the bike does it. So if this video does end up being really short, I might just have clips of, you know, the bike, so you guys can hear it and listen to it sounding pretty nice. Especially if that's something you guys like. If I'm seeing comments about it, I'm assuming you like hearing the bike. I guess maybe not in this video because I'm not going to be hitting any like twisties or corners or anything. I'm going to be mainly in this, which is a big bummer. This turn signal's been on for 2 minutes. How do you not? A bike leaving your turn signal on is a little more understandable because, you know, there's no noise telling you. It's just a little blinking up there, the tiny little bit. In a full-blown like vehicle like that, how do you not know especially when it automatically shuts it off for you most of the time. I couldn't tell if he was nodding at me or... I like people like that. Why is there a Katy Perry song playing in my head? I think it's Teenage Dream. Oh, why, dude? I hate it. Start rapping in my head to get that out. Dude, this is annoying. That is unfortunate. Another tip to new riders, if you can avoid roads like this, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like grooved. If you can avoid these kinds of roads, it's normally like bridges and stuff, so if you can avoid them, try to. They are not very motorcycle friendly. Don't have good traction on them, so if you can, just try to go around. Thank you to the person in the Elantra for spraying me with windshield fluid. I don't know if that was intentional or not. Appreciate it. I'm gonna get out from behind you. I'd rather not get sprayed again. That loop didn't take as long as I thought it would. Oh, it's still gonna be a short video. Damn it. Sorry. I tried. I think I'm gonna stop somewhere, end this video, and then do a little sunset ride to the lake. It's a weekend. It's nice out, might as well. I won't get to go riding next weekend, so might as well enjoy this one. I'm gonna stop up here at this building. I just love coughing. I'm gonna stop up here at this building that looks abandoned. Seems abandoned. I don't know, but I've never seen anything happen there, so shouldn't be a problem if I stop there. Thank you for watching this one. Also not in the best place mentally, but it happens. I'm also further back than I thought I was. Oh, I love tunnels so much. But yes, as I was saying, because I didn't imagine if I would have just pulled over right there in a big open parking lot, it would have made sense. Dude, I'm so dumb. Sorry. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you want to leave a like, feel free to. It's free. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. Actually, I'm not going to go to the lake. I'm going to stay on the highway because, like I said, it's a weekend. I'm trying to have something fun happen. So I'm going to pull over in the fucking smallest place possible. I think this bitch is abandoned, but hey, look at me. I fit. Do that with your car. But yeah, I'm gonna do things myself. That sounded inappropriate. It was meant to have like dark humor. I'm sorry, but thanks for watching.